Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you these slick locks we have here installed on our GMC Savana cargo van. These are puck locks installed on the cargo doors. This is on the side door. We also have them on the rear doors. And this is just a puck lock here that's attached to some brackets that's going to prevent entry into the cargo area, prevent people from stealing your tools, equipment, supplies, and all of that. Now, what makes slick locks unique is I open this here, take this puck lock off, you can see these stealthy blade brackets here is what they're called. They're not attaching to the exterior of the van, the sheet metal on the van, which means you're not drilling holes, which means you're not introducing a chance for corrosion and rust and things like that. The way that these brackets install, actually by tying into existing bolt locations on the door. So right here, we're on the latching mechanism. You're just taking out 2 bolts here and attaching your blade bracket right there. We do a little bit of trimming on this rubber gasket here, and that pokes through here. And then on the other door here, it installs very similarly to our little strike plate. Again, you're gonna take out 2 bolts, attach your blade bracket right there. So you're not having to modify the vehicle at all to install these brackets, which is really the benefit of the slick locks. And then once you shut the door, these 2 brackets come together. Then we have our hasp location where we can put, it's just kind of a standard puck lock here. There's a few things that are unique about the slick locks puck lock, but a puck lock, basically your little pin here is hidden. So a traditional padlock, you just go up there with some bolt cutters and you can get that out pretty easily. You can't get access to this pin with a puck lock. Now what makes this puck lock unique is, as you can see, the outside of the lock spins. So the puck lock's actually staying stationary, but there's a little spinner, is what they call it, on the outside of the lock that spins. What this does is it prevents someone from taking channel locks or some other tool and grabbing this and kind of twisting the hasp off of the door and getting entry. So it's going to prevent that from happening. The other unique thing about this is it does have this kind of plastic weather cover over the top that's going to keep your moisture, your snow, all of that out of the lock. But when you spin the hole away from the keyhole, it protects that keyhole from getting any debris in there as well. So it's a unique kit. These are vehicle specific, so this is for the GMC Savana. They have them for all the cargo vans. This is for the side hinge door. There's a different kit for the sliding door version of this van. Essentially, there's just one bracket and a puck lock that's going to go on the back side of that door that's going to prevent you from opening that door. Now, installation on our rear doors is basically the same. We have an install video of showing you how to put this on if you're interested in looking at that. Now, this is going to be an easy, inexpensive way to secure your cargo van. So if you're looking for these locks, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. My name is Ryan. Have a good one.